Hi, in this quick demo, I will show you how to use the ODU or OCR document understanding component within OPA. You can use this component within OPA forms and allow end users to upload supported documents, and will perform key value extraction or OCR on those documents, extracting all of the relevant text and making that text available for you within your process. The other thing that you can do is take the originally uploaded document and send it to a system of record, which is exactly what we'll see in this demo. I will upload a driver's license and we'll use the information from that driver's license in our process, but we'll also take that driver's license and upload it to HCM. So how do you get started with this component? Well, it's very easy. You don't need to create a connector or anything like that. The component is completely native to the OPA experience. So the way to get started is go and navigate to a form. And here I have just a blank form to showcase the component. So you will find the document understanding component under the AI services section of our form palette. When you drag this component onto your form, you'll see that the component renders three main sections. The first section allows you to upload your document. The second section will echo back the image of your uploaded document. And the third section will generate the extracted data from your document. So this way you can see a side-by-side comparison of the document that you uploaded and what the OCR result was. So you can actually compare, and if you need to, you can adjust. So let's go ahead and configure this component. So you can see when I selected, here I can just provide some, generic name for the component. I can rename it. I can adjust which file types I want it to handle. But for the most part, this is just very generic configuration. Really, what you need to do to leverage this component is select a supported document type. Now, in the original release, we only support two document types for key value extraction from the ODU service, and that's driver's licenses and passport. In future releases, we're going to support additional document types. So once you select the document type, we'll go ahead and actually create a data object for the document type that you selected. So this is based on the ODU service, and this returns all of the data elements that the ODU service returns for this document. When you click Generate Controls, you'll see that our form is going to render all of these components for you in line, and you can actually take those and adjust it as you need. And then that's it. That's all you really need to do to use the component. You can adjust the confidence score if you need to, but otherwise you can just go ahead and use it. So for example, if I select a US passport in here, I can upload it to my form, and you will see that this component will call the document understanding service within OCI and perform key value extraction. So that's just how simple it is to use this new capability. So now let's have a look at a slightly more complex example. So in here, I have a driver's license form that we'll use in my particular demo. And this driver's license form is also configured with the ODU component, as you can see here. Except in this case, instead of passport, we've configured it to work with driver's licenses. So now let's go ahead and run this demo to see how you can use it in a real life setting. So to do that, I'm going to go to my runtime environment and going to kick off a process right here. So this is my demo. I'll just kick off this process, and then I should actually get an email to tell me that I need to upload my driver's license as an employee. So what we just saw there was just a simulation of an event. That event would normally start from HCM Journeys. And then the employee would get an email saying, hey, you need to actually upload your driver's license as part of the onboarding experience. So if I copy this link and then go back to my browser, you'll see that this will open up the task that's been assigned to me. Specifically, this task is to do with uploading my driver's license. So you can see here under personal information, I can see my details. So Sarah Morgan from, this are all the details that have been configured for me in HCM. and then I can upload my driver's license. So if I select this, I can select my driver's license. Yeah, that looks good. And now what will happen is we're going to call again the document understanding service, which will extract all of this text from the driver's license that I just uploaded and present it to me here. Now I can make any edits as needed. So for example, OCR didn't pick up the sex, so I've just typed it in manually. And then I can click add to add this document to Oracle HCM Cloud. So if I click add, you'll see that this is going to call an API. And actually, in this particular case, it's telling me that the driver's license number is invalid. And that's just because Oracle HCM Cloud actually doesn't expect spaces in the document ID. So I can quickly correct that as an end user. I have that application validation available to me here as part of the backend API, update it, and then resubmit. And so this should actually return successfully. So you can see now that the document's actually being created in HCM Cloud. And then now that I'm happy with that, I can just click submit, and that will submit my driver's license upload to my record in HCM Cloud. So now if I go to Oracle HCM, you'll see that this is Sarah Morgan. And if I just refresh this, then if I open up my driver's license details, you can actually see that my license number has been updated in here. If I go into document of records, you can also see that under document of records, my driver's license is available against my record, and you can even preview that I've uploaded the right image directly from HCM Cloud. So the point is that this capability can be introduced in a much larger onboarding flow to allow employees to upload identification documents without having to retype all of the information in. And we can take this data, send it to approval, and use the data to actually upload our system of record, in this case, HCM Cloud. I hope you've enjoyed this demo. Thank you so much for watching.